What up, stoners? So I'm here making this video to teach you guys how to light your weed when you guys don't have a lighter. See, Amsterdam lighter. Yeah, this I brought from Amsterdam. But what we do if we don't have a lighter? So you have your joint, you start smoking, you let it for later, and then you come, okay, let's smoke that joint. Where is the lighter? No worries. Open your microwave. Bang. 30 seconds. Bang. Let's see what happens. Boo. Boo. See? Coming. Yes. Just boo. See? Woo. Yeah. This is all you do, stoners.